Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to show us how we can simplify this radical sodic expression easily. Solution. We have 3 root 20. Root 20 can also be written as 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is 20. Remember that one of these numbers must be a perfect square number. That is, number that you can find its square root, which is 4. Plus, right, we have 10 over root 5. Now we are going to rationalize this by multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by root 5. Okay, so we rationalize this. Okay, from there, we have 3. This is square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 5. Okay, I'm going to split this plus 10 times root 5 give you 10 root 5 over root 5 times 5. So we have 5 times 5, which is give us 25. Right, so one of the laws of Surds says that if we have square root of AB is same thing as square root of A multiply square root of B. And that is what I have applied here. Okay, moving on. We can find square root of 4 to be 2. So we have 3 multiplied by square root of 4 is 2. And then we have root 5 plus 10 root 5. Square root of 25 is 5. We're going to write it. And we multiply these 3 and these 2. That 3 times 2 will give us 6. We have 6 root 5 plus 5 here 1. 5 here is 2. And that is 2 root 5. Okay, so root 5 is common. You can factor out root 5. Okay, and that means that you write it out root 5. Then we have 6 here and we have 2 here. Now 6 plus 2 will give us 8, and root 5 times 8 equals 8 root 5. That. Alright, so now let's try this. Alright, so let's simplify 14 over root 2 minus root 18. Okay, let's simplify 14 over root 2 minus root 18. And let's drop our answer in the comment section. Alright, thanks guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please and please do subscribe. See you next time.